Hello friends, this is Murtuza here. In this video, I'll be showing you the most important reason why your visitors and subscribers are not purchasing your products and services. And this secret is so important that when I understood the reason why my subscribers were not purchasing my products and services, and when I applied this secret, things started changing dramatically. And you can call it as a glue, a glue that helps you to sell your products and services. It convinces your prospects to trust you and to do business with you. So without wasting much of your time, what is the secret why your subscribers are not purchasing your products and services? And the most important reason is that you are not building a strong bond and relationship with your subscribers. You might be receiving several emails in your inbox every day, and you might be seeing what they are doing, what these people are doing, every day. Think about it. How many emails you open every day, in your inbox, and what you see in your emails. You will see that people are just trying to promote some products, and they are trying that you purchase their products and services. And this is what happens every single day. You see dozens of emails, and almost every one of them are selling some or the other products or services in the emails. And what happens is that after a certain amount of time, you stop looking at these emails, and you start unsubscribing from their lists. And so what you should be doing, okay, think about it. What kind of emails you like to read, okay, and what kind of people you like to interact with on the internet. You like to interact with people who build relationship with you, okay, who have put in efforts to build a bond with you, okay. So it is extremely important that if you wish to sell your products and services online, you have to create a strong bond, okay, a strong relationship with your subscribers. And by just if you just keep on selling them, with different products and services in your every email, they will stop trusting you enough, okay. So what you have to do to build that kind of relationship, that kind of bond with your subscribers, okay, there are few steps that you can do. You can offer them a free personalized help, from time to time, okay, probably a free counseling session, a free consultation or something, where they can interact with you, okay. And send them interactive emails, okay, where they can communicate with you, and you help them out personally without charging them, okay. And once you do this, they will always remember you. They will trust you enough to purchase your products and services that you recommend in future. The second thing you can do is give them high quality content in your emails, okay. Send them out with some articles, some content, as well as some helpful information that makes sure that it helps them to solve their problems in their particular niche. The third thing you can do is you can create such videos that I'm doing right now and send them out. Create videos, audios, articles, some informative blog posts, okay, or probably some excellent forum posts that you have done. Send them out and show them, okay, that these are the kind of things that you have done, and this kind of knowledge you have, okay. When you show off your knowledge and you provide them your knowledge for free for a particular time or on an occasional basis, they will feel that you are an expert in your niche and you know what you are talking about, okay. So these are the three simple steps that you can do on a regular basis to make sure that you continuously build a strong bond and relationship with your subscribers. Build relationship with your subscribers, and together with that, promote your products and services, and be helpful to them. Help them out personally on occasionally, from time to time, and people will start trusting you. When they trust you and they respect you and they consider you as an expert in your niche, then and only then they will purchase your products and services. And if you do this properly, you can even go about selling $500 or $1,000 products to your subscribers. With this, I will close up this video. To watch such videos as well as some great articles, content, videos, and lots of other stuff, make sure you visit my website. I have created a 23 step report as well as a process map where I will show you exactly how I set up my online business and what I have done to set up a successful website which got me approximately 24,000 visitors and 6,000 leads and made me approximately $30,000. And if you wish to read this report and check out my process map, make sure you visit my website at howistartinternetbusiness.com/plan. Okay, I'll repeat the spelling. It is www.how start internet internet business business howistartinternetbusiness.com/plan PLAN. And I'll see you then. I wish you all the very best.